hope that you guys are doing fine. I'm making this video primarily to show you guys how to use the MyLabs computer to set up for races, to add new drivers, add transponders, change transponders, and whatever you guys may encounter during the race. So if you guys have any questions during any of the races, you're more than welcome to give me a call, but I might not be available. So here's the video. Hopefully it helps. So first, you guys are gonna go to MyLabs. That's gonna be right here. You're gonna click once. It's gonna open up the program. Once it loads up, it should say here a green number or silver. That means that the lap counter is on. If it says no counter or something disconnected, you guys have to check the wiring for it. So for the racing, looks like you guys are going to be racing on the 24th of July. So right here is a calendar. You will select the date of the race date. Once you have selected the race date, you're going to go to search by name. I usually find this easier just because I can type Dane and automatically over here I have all the names of all the or the classes that the person is running. So I can just if I want Dane to run USGT, I will double click quickly, and of course it's giving me a warning because the calendar is not matching, but I am going to input it anyways. So I'm going to put Dane on USGT, VTA, and 17.5 Touring. You have the entries right here, so if for any reason you made a mistake and you don't want Dane running 17.5, you can always come here, Dane 17.5, remove entry. It says remove Dane right from today's entries. You're going to click OK, and you're going to see that he's no longer part of 17.5 in here, and he's no longer part of the race schedule. So you're going to go here and you're going to say John Knoll. You're going to see it already here. So if John Knoll is running VTA, USGT, and F1, you're going to see that now for VTA and USGT you're going to have entries of 2s, and that's and so on and so on. So if John Knoll is no longer wanting to run USGT, just click on USGT, which is right here, and remove entry. If John Knoll decides that today he wants to run 12 scale, you're going to come right here to add class, and you're going to select add class. You're going to select 12 scale. You're going to input his transponder number, and then you're going to click done, enter into race. The next thing is that you're going to need is if anybody is wanting like a new racer. So if you have a new racer, let's just say it's somebody comes from out of town, this right here will add a new racer. So you're gonna click on add a new racer. You're gonna type in the name, and here it says last name preferred, but we always done it first name first. So if it's John Doe, you're gonna click enter. After you click enter, you're gonna select the class that John Doe is gonna be running. So if he's running 17.5, you're gonna either done just update info or done enter into race. Once you have selected either one, if you select done enter into race, he's gonna be entered into race right here. So John Doe is gonna be running 17.5, and he is in today's race schedule. So if you want to remove everybody from the race schedule of today, just click on the name, remove entry, remove entry, remove entry, and remove entry. So for the first heat, after you have selected all the names, what you're going to do is you're going to go here to the second tab, which says classes. Once you have selected the classes, you're going to see a list of classes over here. What you want to do is click on the class that you want first and move it up or down. So if I want USBTA to be the last, I'm going to click on the USBTA, and then I'm going to click down, 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 down until it's the last one. So otherwise, I'm just going to move it. You can move it up or down, and that's going to be for the first heat only that you're going to set this up. After that, they're going to be set up the same way for the rest of the heats. Now, for the main, after you have set up all the way that you want them all, what you're going to do is you're going to hit heat main setup, which is the fourth tab, and you're going to set up initial heats automatically. So if we're having a race today and I hit set up heats automatically, it's going to take me to the next window. Let's just say I have John Knoll. Let's change the date. John Knoll is running VTA, and Dane is running VTA as well for today, Friday the 22nd. So you're going to click heat main setup. You're going to click set up initial heats automatically, which is the first tab on here. Then you're going to come up to the screen. Once you come up to the screen and you're happy with whatever is showing, you're going to click print, and it's going to ask you to print. Otherwise, it's going to ask you for your race order. So if you wanted to change the race order, if you did not make it on the first one, and for the main race, you're going to need to change the race order. Just click race order, VTA, GT, and the same thing. Move it up and down with this. So done. And once you have set up initial heats automatically, you're going to go to you can print. If you for some reason closed it, you can display print that same page right on that button, and then you're gonna race. Then you're gonna show you this screen. Once you're done in this, you're gonna make sure everybody checks in, start the race. After the race is done, you're gonna hit save. Once you hit save, it's gonna go to the saving. Then it's gonna ask you if you want new heat with new round with no resort, new round with resort, or setup mains. If it's a second heat or a third heat, you're gonna hit new round with resort. If it's, of course, the mains, just setup mains, and you're gonna accommodate the race accordingly. If somebody is changing transponders in the middle of a race, what you want to do is so this is the way that you'll see it, and you can select how many people is in each heat. In this case, it's just 2 people, so one heat only. But you can, if the person is running and they're running a different transponder, it's gonna pop a window here. What you want to do is, with your mouse, just click on the name and drag it to the person that is running. This should actually change the number in here, and of course it's going to change whoever is running. So what you want to do is start this race, you're done, and then let's just say that we have already run 3 heats, and here it already says 2, but if you want to set up for main races, you're going to set up mains. Then you got John Knoll against Dane. Then you're going to print that screen, and then there you go. There's John Knoll against Dane, USVTA. You start, save, and you're done with the race schedule. If if you have to open practice, just second tab over here, open practice. That will let people practice. It is really hard to input drivers while they're practicing, so I recommend just close the practice window when you want to input drivers. Other than that, if for any reason there's the sounds are not the ones that you guys wanted, just go to the first tab, which is says tracks, and go to where it says sound, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th tab, and you're gonna see in here all the racing tones. So you're more than welcome to change them if they get changed for whatever reason. Again, this is kind of like a quick tutorial, so if you guys have need anything, just give me a call. Hopefully the racing goes well, and again, hopefully you guys don't have any trouble, but if you do, just give me a shout. Alright, have a good one.